Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can race on Rouvy. So let's get straight into it. Now you want to participate in the race. Okay, so you will see here, if you are in the app and in the home tab, you will see here recommended events. So the Harel Becker Virtual, this one I think is a race. Yes, it is. And just simply you can select it. Then okay, so here you will see some competition guys, and you can then just simply click here join the event, but this will be starts in 18 hours. So if you want to write now at that moment, you can scroll down a little bit and see here also the timing. So this one starts in 42 minutes, in 2 hours, and so on. But you can find the race which starts probably in a minute. If we go here to the race event, you can see here, check the timing a little bit. So this one will be in 11 minutes and so on. And when you find it, just click on it and then you can start warm up. But first, make sure that you have everything connected, so that you have smart trainer, heart rate monitor, cadence meter, class, or uh, whatever you have. And when you have that, you will be redirected directly into the race to warm up. So, and this is basically it. I can press here to watch, that you will see, and then it will look something like that. So you will be in a race, and then you will see here at the left the people which are participating, your power, kilometers per hour, and your cadence, and then the track here, and that's it, and your progress right down here. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.